Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, let's check out some release models by Matchbox. Check out the pre-order and purchase links in the description. So our first set is a global Germany Mix 3, a Mercedes-Benz G550, a Volkswagen ID4, a Porsche 911 GT3, a Mercedes-Benz W123 wagon, a BMW M5 police car, and a Volkswagen Golf GTI. Now let's check out new upcoming 5-pack set as a mix 5. So our first set is a Construction 3, and the second set is an Adventure 2. Now let's check out new basics as a 2024 Mix 9. So our first car is a 1995 Nissan Hardbody D21. A Tangiers Tuk Tuk from a movie Indiana Jones. A Citroën AMI. And a McLaren 720S Spider. Now let's check out some 9-pack sets. The chase model for a first set is the International Workster Ambulance, and the second set is the MGB GT. Now let's check out some working rigs. So first truck is a Garbage King XL. A Cement King HD. A Western Star 49X. A GMC 3500 Attenuator truck. Now let's check out some moving parts as a Mix 5 and Mix 6. So our first one is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with sliding side doors. A 2004 Honda S2000 with opening front engine hood. A Bizrani 5300 GT Corsa Revival with opening front engine hood. A 1964 Buick Rivera with opening doors. A Seagrave fire truck with moving ladder. A 2022 Jaguar I-Pace with opening doors. A 1995 Chevy C1500 with opening front engine hood and opening rear loader door. A Nissan Ariya with opening front engine hood. And a 1975 Range Rover with opening front engine hood. Now let's check out some basics as a Mix 7, a 2016 Nissan Sentra, a 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring, a Volkswagen ID4, a Volkswagen Golf MK1, a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And stay tuned for everyday new updates. Thanks for watching.